They say you can't make an omelet without breaking some eggs. Well, I'm gonna prove them wrong. Today, we're going to try a product called Just Egg, a plant-based egg replacement. According to the back of the attached black tag, the product is based on the 4,400-year-old mung bean and scrambles like an egg. Now, if you're like me, mung bean sprouts come to mind, but this product is actually made from the mature mung bean and not the sprouts. Of course, all the ingredients and nutritional information can be found on the back label and at justforall.com. Excluding additional oil, seasoning, and vegetables, our Just Egg omelet will contain 180 total calories, 80 fat calories, 10 grams of unsaturated fats, 20 grams of protein, no cholesterol, and 600 milligrams of sodium. This is 4 servings, which is half of the 12-ounce bottle, which to me is about the equivalent of a 3-egg omelet. But enough of this talking. Let's get cooking. So first we're going to use some olive oil. We'll saute up some mushrooms. Let's add some onions. Nice and translucent. I've added chopped red peppers. You could also use chopped green peppers. And how about some fine chopped garlic? And now shake the Just Egg bottle well. Notice there's a foil seal that you'll have to remove.
Oh, look at that. You can try cheese.
Let's add some scallions, green onions, and some black pepper. Now my omelet was a little sticky, and that might have just been my cooking. And that omelet turned out well. The texture looks perfect.
There you go, folks.
Look at the crust on that.
Just Egg omelet.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Click on the subscribe so we can bring you more cooking and reviews.